In this video, we are going to discuss about a vowels and consonants program using Python. I am using Python 3.x version. You can use any other versions to do the code. Vowels and consonants. This will be asked in every interviews, mostly in competitive interviews. They will be asking print only vowels, find the number of vowels in a string, eliminate vowels in a string, or else will be find the number of consonants in a string. These are some questions asked related to vowels. Let me explain what is meant by vowels and consonants. Vowels means in alphabets a, e, I, o, u are called as vowels, and other alphabets are called as consonants. Let we code for this vowels and consonants. First, let we find number of vowels in a string. Okay, now let me use some print function. Enter your string. I am using some new line. After that, X will be storing the input. That means storing string. Now, for vowels, I will be creating a new array which will have A, E, I, O, U. Now, let me check whether the input string X having the vowels A, I, O, U. Now, I'm iterating to the X for I in X. If I in V, then I am doing count plus equal to 1. Initially I'm getting C is equal to 0. I'm using C is equal to 0. Print number of vowels is percentage D percentage C. Okay, now let me run this code. Now I'm going to enter apple. Sorry, I want to enter here. See, the number of vowels is 2. That means number of vowels here present in apple is AE. These are the vowels. So the count of vowels is 2. Now let me try. I am giving all the letters as alphabets, but it doesn't giving count as 2 because here there are I have given only the small cases in order to avoid the case insensitive, or you can eliminate this error in two ways. One is by adding like this. That means you can add caps to here, caps vowels like this. You now if you run, let me clear this and run the code again. Now I am giving all this. Now it works fine. This is one way. You can use another way too, you can convert the entire input string into lowercase, so that all the letters um, so that all the alphabets will be converted into lowercase x dot lower. Now now let me run again. I'm typing here. Yes, now it works fine. By doing these two ways, you can eliminate that error before which we have got. Next, you can you next we can find the number of consonants in a string. In order to find, you can make a small change here. If I not in, just add not. If the input is not present in v, then definitely it will be a constant. So uh, number of consonants is the output. Now let me clear the screen and let me run it again. Now let me give apple again. Here the number of consonants is 3. That means pp. P is consonant. P is consonant. L is consonant. There are two p's, so count is 2, and L, so their count is 3. This is how we can find number of vowels and number of consonants in a string.